Mweri uyu wa Dithemba niguo gukorwo uri wa muthia Kenya gukenerera magoti manini ta uria marengirwo ari njira ya kumahuthiria muturire kurumirira kuingira gwa king'uki gia COVID-19 bururi-ini. Guku magitanywo gucokereria kuriha magoti maria mariho mbere ya king'uki giki kwambiriria mweri wa mwambiririo mwaka ukite. Kuringana na ndumiriri iria irekereirio ni minista wa kigina bururi-ini Ambassador Ukuru Yatani, augite kurumirira kweherio kwa mikana iria yekiritwo ni undu wa king'uki giki undu umwe na gucokereria kwa miturire ya o muthenya ni kwagiriire riu gucokereria urihi wa magoti na gikiro kiria kiariho mbere ya kuingira gwa king'uki giki bururi-ini kwambiriria tariki 1 mweri ukite mwaka wa 2021. Ndumiriri ino ya Yatani ukite riri President Uhuru Kenyatta oritie gukorwo na unyitaniri gatagati ka thirikari nene na thirikari cia county niguo gwetha njira cia kwarahura utonga wa bururi na uria ukoretwo kububanite na njira nene kumana na moritu ma COVID-19.
Kenya's economy has also suffered the wrath of this pandemic, and it is estimated that we shall register a growth of 0.6% in 2020, and this is indeed a sharp drop from the growth of 5.4% that we had in 2019. The pandemic has underscored the urgent need for Kenya to revitalize our health and welfare systems, establish a more progressive, effective, agile, as well as a sustainable safety net that meets the fast-changing needs of both current and future generations, and the need for closer planning and cooperation between our two tiers of government.
President uria waritie o hindi ya kigomano na kanjo ya magavana augitio na ni matanyite maundu kwihiririo na makiria kuona utonga wa bururi wirigirirwo gukura na gicunji kia gibugu turuma 6 hari igana gukiringithanio na gicunji kia 5.1 mwaka muhituku. Haha kihinyiriria a Kenya meharirie kunyitia muthiori na makiria.
Fellow leaders, this is not a time for business as usual. The strategy plans at both the county and national levels draw on limited resources that have become even more diminished due to the social economic impacts of the pandemic. These limited resources must be utilized strictly for the purpose of elevating our nation. They must be used faithfully and with utmost transparency and accountability.
Aritio hindi ya kuruguria waki wa nyumba ya gorofa 50 ya kanjo ya magavana bururi-ini na iria gwakwo na muigana wa shiringi bilioni 5 na iria ikoragwo ari o nyumba ndaihu muno gitaro-ini kia Afrika. Nyumba ino ningi nitanyitwo gukorwo iri wabici ya magavana othe 47 bururi-ini. Ministry ya utamburukia wa mahinya undu umwe na anyiti itemi angi ruhonge-ini rwa utamburukia wa mahinya hamwe na angi.
It will make it that much more easy for devolution to succeed, and it will provide the paradigm shift that we've all been looking for a bottoms-up approach to our development than the old trickle-down.
Since devolution, it has been our desire to enhance coordination of county governments' activities under one roof. Today marks the beginning of the actualization to fulfill this desire by groundbreaking a magnificent devolution headquarters.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Tagomora, Wagunya.